Council and school workers are key to so many things in our lives. The current health pandemic has highlighted this more than ever to the general public, and yet these key workers are being offered a disgusting 2.75% pay increase. It's an insult. These key workers, our members, have gone far beyond their normal day jobs to keep this country moving. Here are just a few examples of how our members have adjusted to accommodate the needs of the services we've been asked to provide. As ever, high quality public services, which have been clapped by the public and then slapped by central government.
Hi, I'm Hayley and I'm a teaching assistant here in Kirby. Teaching assistants are obviously underpaid and obviously undervalued at times. We deal with some of the most disadvantaged and vulnerable children. Throughout this crisis, schools have been open for key worker and vulnerable children, and after the crisis is finished, we will be here helping these children to catch up on education that is lost. We go above and beyond. We're not just teaching assistants, we're counsellors, we're first aiders, we're dinner ladies, you name it. We're not just here educationally, we're here emotionally for these children. And we do deserve, all of us, a pay rise that's bigger than inflation and that we can live on. Thank you.
My name's Amy and I'm a local government key worker. My role is Economic and Community Development Officer based within the regeneration team of a local authority. Throughout the coronavirus pandemic, I've worked on our community hub, making phone calls to vulnerable and elderly residents to check that they're okay. I've also worked with local businesses offering support and advice on government guidance and any available grants and funding. More recently, I'm helping to implement measures along the high street to enable businesses to reopen safely and for people to feel safe to return.
Hi, we work as street cleansing operatives and I've been working throughout the pandemic, including weekends. Daily, our job involves litter picking, keeping the area safe for the public to use, collect fly tips, weed spraying and removing graffiti. At the start of lockdown, we volunteered to be trained to work on the refuge teams if needed. We're key workers and keep this country running.
Hi, my name's Christine. As well as doing my normal job, from the first week of lockdown, I have been contacting people who had volunteered for the community hub. This is in the region of 400 households. I have also been helping out in other sections where there has been a staff shortage due to colleagues self-isolating or shielding others in their family.
Hi, I'm Tony, a local government key worker. My role is contact centre supervisor. My team and I have been working through the pandemic in the council offices, supporting and reassuring the public in the community to ensure the services have continued to run smoothly.
Hi, I'm Peter. I'm an environmental health technician. I've worked throughout the coronavirus pandemic and it's literally been all hands to the pump. Whilst many of my colleagues have been self-isolating, I've been dealing with an increase in fly tipping, also smoke nuisance as a result of burning household waste. I've also been covering for our dog warden and have regularly emptied a number of the dog waste bins across the borough.
Hi, I'm Dawn. I'm a teaching assistant in Liverpool. I feel we really need a decent pay rise because the 2% pay rise you've offered us is just not enough. And if we weren't here during the coronavirus crisis, the children wouldn't be able to come to school, key workers wouldn't be able to go to work, and the economy would have took a deep dive down. So I really feel we need to have this pay rise. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mudge, Senior Civil Enforcement Officer. I've been working during this pandemic delivering parcels to the elderly and vulnerable in the borough.